So here in this question, we are asked to find the area of this shaded region. Here we have two semicircles, the bigger one with center at A, let its radius be capital R, and a smaller semicircle with its center at B, let its radius be small r. Now how we can find the area of this shaded region? So we can write area of shaded region is equal to area of this big semicircle minus area of this smaller semicircle. So what is the formula for area of semicircle? It is pi times radius squared divided by 2. Likewise, for smaller semicircle, it is pi times will be small r square upon 2. Here we can take out pi by 2 as common, and we will have r squared capital minus r squared small. So if we get the value of capital R and small r, we can compute the area of shaded region. So for that, let us do one modification, and the modification is to draw a perpendicular like this. This will be perpendicular because this is, let us name it as PQ. So PQ is a tangent to this semicircle at point M. So this will be 90 degree. We know that this is a theorem. Likewise, let us do another modification, that from point A, let us drop a perpendicular. So if we drop a perpendicular, we have a theorem that states that if we have a circle and this is the center, if we have a chord here, so from the center, if we draw perpendicular on this chord, then this line bisects the chord. This is the median also. So here, suppose this point is N, so P to N will be 10 units and N to Q will also be 10 units, because this AN is perpendicular. So this will bisect the chord. This will be a median. Okay. So P to N length is 10 units and N to Q is also 10 units. Now we will do another modification, and it is to join A and P. So what will be this distance A to P? This will be capital R, because this is the radius of this bigger circle. What will be the length of A to N? A to N will be, if this is small r, this also be small r, because these are parallel. So this is also small r, and this is given as 10 units. Let me erase this. Let me draw this triangle nicely for you. I am talking about this triangle. So this is N, this point is A, this is P, P to N is 10 units, this is small r, this is capital R. Now we apply Pythagorean theorem here, so we will get the relationship capital R squared is equal to small r squared plus 10 squared. So from here we can get capital R square minus small r square equals 10 squared, that is 100. Now we can substitute this value here, because small r square subtracted from capital R square is what we were searching for. So after this, the area of shaded region is pi by 2 multiplied with 100. So we can cancel this 50 times. So 50 pi square units is the area of this shaded region. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel.